Auzu billahi minesh-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. I am Mohd Iqbal Shah, teacher Boys Higher Secondary School, Tarfura. Today's my topic is for 11th class student. That is 12th of August 2020. Dear students, yesterday I told you about the concept of energy resources. Today I will explain some differentiations about renewable source of energy and non-renewable source of energy. There are two types of energy resources. One is renewable source of energy and another one is non-renewable source of energy. So far as renewable source of energy is concerned, these sources of energy, they can be renewed at very short intervals of time. Renewable source of energy are those sources of energy which can be renewed at very short intervals of time. While as non-renewable source of energy, they will not replenish it in our lifetime. They take millions of years to renew itself. They cannot be renewed in very short intervals of time. They can be renewed in long intervals of time. Once they get exhausted, they will get replenished in our lifetime. Second one is the renewable source of energy can be used again and again and cannot be extinguished and cannot be extinguished. They can, when we use these very source of energy again and again, they can be renewed by itself. While as when we use non-renewable source of energy, they can get exhausted by human activities. Third differentiation is renewable source of energy are present in unlimited quantity in nature. So it depends our use, it depends our need. Once we use it rapidly, they can be renewed very short intervals of time. These very sources are present in unlimited quantity in nature. Renewable sources are present in unlimited quantity. They are present in countless quantities. They are present in innumerable quantities. While non-renewable sources are very limited in nature. Non-renewable sources are present in limited in nature as they can be replenished in our lifetime. The fourth differentiation is that renewable sources are not fossil fuels. They are available every time from dusk to dawn, like air, sunlight, biogas, etc. They are present every time in our nature. So far as non-renewable source of energy is concerned, these are fossil fuels like coal, petroleum and natural gas, except uranium. Uranium is not a fossil fuel. Uranium is a non-renewable source of energy and is used in nuclear plants. Uranium is used in nuclear plants. Uranium is not a fossil fuel. So non-renewable source of fossil fuels, renewable sources are not fossil fuels. Fifth one is they have low economic value, and that is why United States of America used 92% of these renewable sources of energy to generate their needs. While non-renewable source of energy, they have high economic value. Once they used, they will gone forever. Sixth one differentiation is renewable sources of energy can be gathered, cannot harm biotic community. We can gather them. We will store them. While as non-renewable source of energy are the fossil fuels, these fuels cannot be gathered. They can harm the biotic community. So these are differentiations some between renewable source of energy and non-renewable source of energy. Non-renewable source of energy are renewed at short intervals of time, while a non-renewable source of energy takes millions of years to renew itself. Second one, I will repeat it again. They can be used in again and again and cannot get exhausted and cannot get extinguished and cannot get end. These get exhausted by human activities. Third one is these sources are present in unlimited quantity in nature, while as non-renewable sources are present in limited quantity in nature. These renewable sources are not fossil fuels. These are available from time to time. These are available at every time from dusk to dawn, just like air, sunlight, biogas, etc. And these fossil fuels are these non-renewable sources of energy or fossil fuels like coal, petroleum, and natural gas, except uranium, which is used in nuclear power plants. So renewable source of energy have low economic value. They are cheap, easily available, renews in some intervals of time. United States of America use 92% of these resources of energy to generate their needs. The non-renewable source of energy have high economic value. One is used, they will go on forever. Sixth one is their gathering cannot harm biotic community. Renewable sources, the gathering of renewable sources cannot harm biotic community, while as non-renewable, so their gathering, these are the fossil fuels, they can harm the biotic community and whole environment. Wama alayna ilal balagul mubin. Hope for your